Skaters from all across the province and some from out of town gathered to take on the track. It's the Sylvan Lake Ice Marathon, and it's an event you really need to prepare for.
It's not something that you just, you hear about and you think, hey, that sounds nice to me, and come out. And no, most people actually, we have a pretty active club here in Red Deer, and we train on the oval in downtown Red Deer.
The ages of the skaters range from as young as 17 to around 65 years old, and all belong to a somewhat select group of athletes tackling a 100-kilometer race.
It brings something extra, you have to have a little bit more character to actually finish the race. And that's what these people, that's what they like.
It takes about 2 weeks to get the 5-kilometer track prepared, and it's not in the shape of an oval like we're used to seeing. This one is shaped like an L.
We try to kind of emulate the 11 City Tour in Holland, which is all on natural ice. It's all on water and canals where all the 11 cities are all connected to each other.
This is the site of the North American Championships, and the crew worked hard to make sure the surface is very smooth.
This year it's exceptionally clean. There is hardly any cracks in it. Very smooth, hard ice, so we should see some real fast times.
Anywhere from 75 to 100 skaters will take part, and there was an invite, or challenge, I suppose, to some pond hockey players sharing the lake.
They might have to look for other teams next year, because when those pond hockey players skate here and they see that they're more or less standing still compared to the speed skaters, all these pond hockey players might switch to speed skating, and then of course they are kind of in a disarray for next year, but that's their problem.
Jim Claggett, Shaw TV Sports, Sylvan Lake.